For the repair of controller of accommodation air conditioning compressor controller, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we used 220-volt AC power supply and some test lamps. Initially, we connected 2 test lamps to simulate the heater and remote heater outputs, and it appears that both outputs are responding correctly. Subsequently, we connected 4 test lamps to simulate the outputs connected to the valves, and it appears that these outputs are also responding correctly. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is not clear that controller is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the client.